Hi, and thanks for checking out my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a short tutorial about the Canon PowerShot A70, a small digital camera from Canon with 3.2 megapixels. An older model, but still in use in many households. So this is not a single lens reflex, but just a small digital camera with some interesting functions. I will begin with this power on switch. You can see there is a zoom lens coming out, so I just had to set here. I changed the battery so we can see zoom in or zoom out. We do this with this selector here, and as on almost every Canon camera you have this dial with the different programs for photographing portrait or landscape mode, or photographing against the light, sports, and this is for movie, so you can also make video with this camera. Of course, you have also the auto setting, which means the camera is adjusting itself to the best possible settings for the photo you want to take. With P is for program automatic, T is for time, so you choose the time and you get the right aperture, the other way around aperture, and the manual program where you can set your different settings manually. So this of course is more a gimmick for that kind of camera, because if you use this, you almost every time want just to press the button and get a good picture and not think about the aperture or the time setting. So this is, maybe that was planned for the good photographer. The good photographer wouldn't have used such a camera, so it's more a consumer model. So this is more for fun, but I would prefer to set it in the automatic mode. You can see here 4 buttons. The first one is set, then you have the menu button, which allows you to get the different settings, then the display button, which has no function in this functionality, only here you can get the extra information on the other side, or you can just remove it. And there's a function key which allows you different modes for the flash or for the resolution of the picture. I would recommend to set it in the highest possible mode, so that they get the best picture quality on this. This selector is the selection for playback mode or record mode, either for camera or photo camera or video imaging. This one is the flash mode, of course only usable in the camera mode. You can set the different flash types in here. This is for macro photography, and these are just to select inside the menu. So on this side you have, behind this small flap, you have the AV port, and beneath you see the mounting hole, and then you have here the battery, and the compact flash card gets in here. This one works with compact flash, not with SD card, so you have to have a CF card to use it. Put that back again. The camera comes out again. You can see the flash, and as on many Canon cameras you can look through here, which is in the time of digital photography more an antique, bizarre feature, but it allows you to look with your eye through this searcher, which gives you an impression of your photo motive. And of course here we're gonna switch this off to show you the battery compartment, which is in here. Just press this to the right and then open it, and you see 4 AA batteries, 4 common batteries, which is really simple and a cheap way of using the camera. So this small camera is still making good photos, and I hope you liked my small review on this camera, and maybe you check out more videos on my channel for different cameras and their usage. Thanks for watching, bye!